Okay, we're going to talk about converting, right, to percentages. So we start off with a fraction, and then we're going to convert to a percentage. So I kind of showed you the basics on Friday, but now we're going to put what we learned on Friday into practice. So if you look on page 141, you start off with what fraction of a whole is 25%. So I told you that if it's 25%, it means that it's always over 100. So if we are starting off with a percentage, to convert to a fraction is very easy. And so here's an example. Tando, wait till you give me the answer. If my percentage is 83, I need you to convert this to a fraction for me, which means I need a numerator and the denominator. Can go. Perfect. It's simple. You just write the number over, and your percentage tells you that it's always over 100. So converting from a percentage to a fraction is really easy, right? Okay. But now what happens if I give you 1/10, and I tell you I want you to write this as a percentage. Now remember on Friday I told you it's always important to get your denominator to be 100. And whatever you do to your denominator, you are doing to your numerator. Right, good. Thank you for paying attention and for participating. So to get 10 to 100, what am I going to do, Abulel? Right. So if I'm timesing 10 by 10, I need to times 1 by 10, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So 1 times 10 is? 10. And 10 times 10 is? 100. So what now is my percentage, Renati? X, 10%. Wow! Are we together? Exercise 23.2, page 141. Number 1 says, let's take it easy. We're going to copy the number line on the right. Please ensure that your markings are equal, your intervals are equal. Do not make a big one and a small one. Okay. Then show the following fractions, that means keep them as they are, on the left of the number line. So do the fractions on the left of the number line. Now I want you to show me the percentages on the right of the number line. Okay. So if this is my number line, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means that this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, okay? And this here? 5/10 or? Get it? Yo! Okay. Number 2 says, what does your number line in question 1 show you? Think critically as you did yesterday for number 1 and give me your best response. Number B, 2B, can you see that the fraction 1/10 is the same as 10%? Use fractions to help you explain this. So write a full story about why this is the same and use your fraction words and your percentage words to explain this to me. And then we give another example here. So we're writing percentages as fractions, right? So they give us 3%, we know that it's 3/100. And then they have 55% is equals to 55/100. But they simplified it to 11/20. So if I have 55/100, I can say 5 goes here and 5 goes there. just to make it simple. But if whatever you divide at the top, you must divide at the bottom. So if you say 10 goes there, it must be 10 goes there. Okay. And then they give you a fraction at the second example, the second block. They give you 3 over 10. We converted it by multiplying 10 over 10, and we get 30 over 100. So our percentage is 30%. So what do you need to do at number 1? You need to convert all those percentages to fractions. Easy peasy. Simplify where necessary, because I want you to look at, say, C. Number 1C says 30%. Okay? So if we convert this to a fraction, Gabella, what's it going to be?
3 over
Danica?
30 over
30 over 100. Okay. Now to get to where you ended up, we can say that 10 can go there and 10 can go there. So you end up there with 3 over 10. But you must go here first. I need to see how you got to 3 over 10, okay? Alrighty, and then number 2 says write the following fractions as percentages. Remember to first write as a fraction with a denominator of 100. So you must convert it to a denominator of 100. Show me if you multiplied or if you divided to get it to 100, to both. So this is how you'll set your work out, right? If it is 3 over 10, you're going to show me that you multiplied by 10 over 10. Then you're going to show me on the next line that you got 30 over
100.
Yes, 30 over 100. And then you're going to show me that it's?
3 over 10.
No. We're converting from a fraction to a percentage. So you're going to, the textbook gives you 3 over 10. You are going to show me how you got it to be a denominator of 100. Then you're going to show me how you took your fraction and you converted it to a percent. I want all of this in your book, okay? All right, you can start.